up the money and it's hard to keep. Yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch, it's 09. I could put you on the map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps, cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to go missing. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the #1 spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to do that is for you to write some Drake lines. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless. Say time is money, just know mine is priceless. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. Yeah. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep. Yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps in this bitch, it's 09. I could put you on the map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps, cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so your salary my day to day. I'm numb to awards, now the Grammys act like paperweights. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about racks. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. Had to drop a meal for the meal on the wrist. They know that I'm hearing from the Ville to the 6. If I'm being honest, I ain't mean to take your bitch. Got the driveway looking like a dealership. Rappers that I used to know, now they act different. Where they are, where I'm at, that's a big difference. Got my brothers off the block, but they still gripping. Just a phone call away for you to go missing. Always had the vision, I just knew that it would take time. If you want the #1 spot, you gotta take mine. Only way to you to write some breakdowns. You ain't even big enough to get cloned by AI. I don't know nobody living quite like this. Hopped in the ghost, it ain't even got mileage. They gon' remember the name cause I'm timeless. Say time is money, just know mine is priceless. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about. Yeah. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep. Yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got.
All right, guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. Can you guys hear me? Is the music too loud? Any tip for a bigger chunks in? I don't understand what you're saying. Any new tip for bigger chunk? Same as past video. Loved your work. Okay. Maybe try to rephrase that. I'm not too sure I understand what you're saying. However, how are you guys doing? I know I have not been doing this live streams recently. I stopped for like 2 or 3 months. Well, I'm back. I'll try to be doing it, like I said, at least once a week, either Monday or Tuesday, New York session, as we are in right now. And we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll increase it as the time goes on. Anyways, where are we? Last time we did an analysis, the market has been, consolidating for a while, just moving slowly. And that's because there's NFP news. Okay, last week, I can't remember why it moved slow last week. Anyways, there were like bank holidays, public holidays, and stuff like that. So for today, we'll be looking at Euro USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, USD JPY, GBP JPY. All right, and then finally gold. Let's say USD. If you have any pairs you want signal analysis from, put that in the comment section below, and put that in the chat section. Actually, the live chat section, and we'll do analysis. Let's say you're in a trade, you need help, you want to know what to do next. You want to get analysis for a trade, you want to get signals, anything extra that I did not put on the list, put that in the comment section, in the chat section, and I'll get to it. With that being said, if you want to test my signals for 3 months for free, message me trial on Telegram. Link is in the description below, and make sure you have at least $50 to be able to take my signals. And also, if you want to test my software for free on MetaTrader, message me test. Make sure you have at least $50 to be able to test the software. I'm not looking for unserious people that just want to waste time. Looking for serious people who want to test the software, trade, and make money. And with that being said, let's begin with this. It's still early to buy crypto, you guys. So, because someone was asking me, can I still buy some crypto? Yes, you can. It's not too late. So, looking at Euro USD. What did we do analysis for the last time? I said there's a possibility it could climb here. Okay, I don't think I took this. Yeah, so from the last analysis, there weren't any real trades. There were only some desperation trades. And yeah, they were kind of high risk. For example, that Euro USD. We also had high risk trade on other pairs also that we look at. It did not bounce off this price. Eventually, it dropped and it became bearish. and somewhat right now is becoming bullish. However, I'm thinking that's just because of non-farm payrolls. It could go all the way. Actually, it could actually just consolidate. It could just consolidate till, because I see Euro USD as bearish actually. So maybe it's just for today. Tomorrow it might drop again. And if it drops again, that means we're kind of in a consolidation. Okay. So that means we will be kind of in a consolidation here. And we know what happens in consolidations: push up, push down. And it will most probably do that till, what's this? It will most probably do that till NFP news on Friday. Okay, so we drop in here, we drop in here. So if Euro USD drops tomorrow, that means we're in a consolidation. If it breaks this point, then that means we are continuing, and we're going to continue to be bullish till this point. Okay, all right, till NFP comes. Okay, and it's going to slowly be bullish, not fast like today. Now, like I said, this is the deciding point around 1.07725. 0.078. Okay, if it drops from 1.078, if it drops from there and tomorrow, then we're in a consolidation. Okay, so even if we're bullish, even if we're in a consolidation, I don't see any trade. It's just manipulating, taking trader sells and buys, and we'll decide during NFP. There's no trade, there's only manipulation being set up. So let's move on to GBP USD. GBP USD. GBP USD analysis. All right, so for GBP USD, we were bearish, and would you look at that? Played out exactly. Low risk to reward ratio. Okay, low risk to reward ratio. Right, it dropped all. I said it was gonna drop all the way down to 1.245. It dropped all the way down for about. It was still a high risk trade. Okay, most of the analysis I gave the last week, were all high risk trade. See, most, or I would think majority of them, I would say around, and I said that around 80 to 90% of the trades were high risk and high risk. I can't remember the conditions why, but they were. So it dropped all the way down for about 100 pips, which is not bad considering we were risking less than 25 pips. So we got about 4-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I still expect it to drop to at least 1.25, right? I'm still bearish. Do I see another opportunity to get in the market? Not really. The last trades that I showed on Euro USD were risking about 10 pips. So even if you took the Euro USD trade, right, and you took the GBP USD trade, you will still be in profit. Why? Because all my trades are always very high risk to reward ratio. That means you have low risk, high rewards. High rewards, low risk. Okay, so even if you are wrong majority of the time, you still come out free. However, the best way, like I always say, the secret system, the secret sauce to compound your account fastest and the biggest is always through hedging, because with hedging you encounter no loss. Anyways, I don't see any trades. We'll have to wait till tomorrow. While the market is giving Euro USD like a push up, then push down to manipulate for consolidation, I feel like this one is also triggering people to buy. And once it gets up to 1.26, right, this area, then I expect a drop. Okay, let's see, where's this thing? Boom, boom, boom. I expect a drop. Okay, Okay. 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 Hello, Avako. Hello, I am dancing. Hello, Makan Tiram. Makan Tiram. Anyways, let's get back into it. So GBP USD, and if I was gonna take a trade, the thing is well, if you take this trade and it gets triggered today, guaranteed you'll be in profit, guaranteed. However, if you take this trade and it trickles out to tomorrow, right, and you've not made a lot of profit on this trade, then even the risk to reward ratio is too low. It's too low. It's too low. You can enter this trade if it gets triggered. Your entry is around 1.26. You will make profits today. It's gonna drop. Okay, maybe you'll make 10 pips, 20 pips, 15 pips. Who knows, right? But worst case scenario, right? However, if it enters till tomorrow, I'm not really sure I can give you that promise on entering or on being in profit, because tomorrow I have to see what happens in the markets. Okay, then I can decide. That's how the trades go. You don't just take your trade and leave it. You take your trade, watch it, and continue to watch it move on, because every day the market can always change and do whatever it wants. You don't control the market. You jump in, you look at what is going on in the market, and you find ways to make profit from there. You find ways to make profit from there. Like I said, if you want to get the 3-month signals for free, message me trial on Telegram, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $50 to be able to fund your account and take trades. I'm looking for only serious people. And also, if you want to test the software tells me when to buy for scalping, when to sell for scalping, tells me where to hedge, the exact points to hedge, the exact place where the market trend will change, because some of you don't know if the market is bullish, some of you don't know if the market is bearish. So it tells you exactly what it is, both long term and short term. It does all the analysis for you, it tells you where the markets can go for that day, for that week, for that month, how high it can go, how low it can go. Some of you are guessing the high of the day. I already know the high of the day, I already know the low of the day, thanks to the software. And it's not just, it's doing it in real time, because it's calculating from every single tick. Some of you don't even know what a tick is. A tick is every single reaction in the market, down to the 1 second. Okay, so yeah. And then if you have emotional bias, for those kind of people who do analysis and they fall in love with the analysis, maybe they did the analysis and it said sell and the market is going bullish, they'll keep on selling. All that is not there. If it's bullish, it will show you it's bullish. So if you continue to sell knowing that it's bullish, then it's up to you. So then you can't have denial and say, oh, I didn't know it was to show you and it will give you a lot. Anyways, taking this trade is a no-no, because look at the risk to reward ratio is 2-1. Only if you are desperate, like I said, or you just want have little profits that you just want to throw around. But there's a good trade on that. If it hits today, you will make profit on it. So let's move on. What is next on our list? USD CAD, baby. USD CAD, baby. USD CAD, baby. Oof. USD CAD looks consolidated. That's the word I just made up, guys. It looks consolidated. Can you see it, guys? Can you see it, guys? It looks consolidated. 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 So what do we see? What do you see? We see the push up. We see the push down. Come on. We see the push down. He did the false breakouts. Then when traders sold, they pushed right back in and slammed their stop loss. Went back into the consolidation and went back up and went back down. And now what is going on in the market is going back up, is going back up. And what do we expect for it to go down? Go down, eventually go down. So that's why I try to stay away from consolidation. It's just a waste of time. You're just looking for how to trap traders. Anyways, in consolidations, as you can see, the market can be bullish, it can be bearish, it can be bullish, it can be bearish. There's no direction, so you just have to wait. Most likely during NFP news is going to get out of this, and then we can have a more clear vision on what is going on in the market. Okay, USD JPY. Even USD JPY has been playing around since. Hopefully after NFP today and this week, the market gets back to normal, because this last few months from February, March, after like middle of February down throughout the whole of March, very slow, nonsensical market. So much news, so many bank holidays, so many ways and reasons the market will just try their bullshit. Full dumb money traders. And we're still able to make some profits, adapt. Sometimes, couldn't take swing trades. What do? We take scalp trades. Couldn't take scalp trades. What do? We take swing trades. I'm surprised we haven't even had a lot of hedges. So, mm, mm, mm. 1 minute, guys. One minute, guys. 1 minute, guys. So where else were we? Where else were we? 1 minute. Just 1 minute, guys. I want to check something. Okay. Where were we? 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, guys. So where were we? USD JPY. We're at USD JPY. Guys, can you hear me clearly? Can you see me? Is it lagging? Because it looks like it's lagging. Where were we? USD JPY. USD JPY also looks like it's in a consolidation. We're expecting it to drop, but it's still in that consolidation. Okay, so let me just delete this because they don't matter anymore. And after USD JPY, we go to GBP JPY, and then we go to gold. What's going on? Delete. And this also, let me just leave this. So we thought the consolidation was here. However, we can see that the consolidation is around 151 area. Okay, and between the 152 and 151 area. So instead of this going all the way down here, what happened? They pushed here. Consolidation actually became tighter. Tighter. I knew this was the top of the consolidation. I wasn't too sure of the bottom. And that's what we're trying to find out last week, But like I said, the market had to move more for us to figure out where it was. So we push down, up, and what next? We're expecting a push. Down. Maybe tomorrow. Move it to the groove, baby. Let me see you move, honey. Yeah, most likely tomorrow. We see that the markets may push down. So we will see what happens. We will see what happens. 1 minute. I have to check something on my trade. One of my trades. I'm trying to take a hedge. I'll record it for you guys. Don't worry. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, yes. Just let me not sing that, because of copyright issues. However, yeah. So bearish on USD JPY. I expect it to drop, because also supporting the fact that we're in a consolidation. I do not see any trades on USD JPY. I do not really. If you're in a trade, you want to do something, I expect a drop on USD JPY. That's all I can say. We're bearish on USD JPY. I can expect it to drop all the way to 151. And yeah, so what else do we move on? GBP JPY. GBP JPY. Let's see. Consolidation too. Consolidation. 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 So we're expecting GBP JPY to go bullish. Same thing that happened with USD JPY. We're expecting it to go bearish. It did go bearish on USD JPY, but we were stuck in a consolidation, and we all know what happens during consolidation. We have a pushback up. So if you were selling, should have taken some profits. And yeah, same thing with GBP JPY. We did move for a bullish move, right? It did bounce off, went up bullish, then found an area that is using for consolidation. So it manipulates traders. And what happens in a consolidation? I've been by this time, if I say what happens in a consolidation, you guys should already know. We have push up, push down, push up, and it did that a lot. It did, I can't even draw enough arrows, so let me just skip that. So we push down, and where are we? We're in our push up phase. So what do I expect? I expect a bullish move on GBP JPY. We can expect it to keep on getting rejected at 191.5, right? And then once it reaches 191.5, we expect it to drop again, right? We expect it to drop again. And this is just going to continue to go on till NFP news is done. Okay. So for those people who like scalping consolidation, this is your dream week. This is your dream week. Okay. Okay. Let's see. 30. Yeah. All right. So yeah, last but not least, we have XAUUSD. So let's see what's going on with XAUUSD. You said it's lagging a bit. I was suspicious that it was lagging. So is it still lagging now? Is it still lagging now? All right, so we were right on our buy trade on gold, bullish, baby. And we are still bullish on XAUUSD. Okay, so there's a possibility, right, of it going bullish. I expect it to go all the way to, I still expect it to go all the way to 2,300. Once it starts getting to around 2,000, I still expect it to go to 2,300, right? I'm on a trade on gold. Once it starts getting to around 2,280, right, then I'll take profits. I'll take some profits on the gold trade. The one that I've been live streaming. Okay, so that take some profit. I've been holding this trade for a long time, so it's time to start taking profits. But let me just take some profits now while I'm live with you guys. Let me see. Should I share my screen and take the profit? What's the account? Let me take some profits now. Taking some profits now live. All these things, I always take it live with you guys. A lot of people keep asking, oh, when did you do this? When did you? No, if you want immediate answer, become a student or join the VIP group. Simple as that. It's free. But why does it keep showing sell trade? You can buy. You can buy. So let me share my screen and take that profit. He said, okay, it's good now. 2,300. You made $350 with that live. Yeah, of course. And most of these things I give it for free. Most people they want me to do analysis for them. They want me to come to their house to teach them. They're just ridiculous. Those people are leeches. They don't want to do anything. They just want to collect, and take. Don't even want to fund their own accounts to trade. Always complaining. Almost everything I do is free. 70 to 80% of what I do is free. But they still want more. Those people are not real supporters. They are just leeches. And they will never be able to trade. That's the worst part. And I don't think they ever care about trading. I'm always saying, if you don't like it, then why don't you just go back to your support and resistance? Because if it was working, you would not be here. So where are we? Should I share my screen with you guys? Should we take this take profits together? Should we take this take profit together? Yeah. I just want to take some small profits, that's all. I've lost a lot of money due to what do you call it? What's the name of swaps? Yeah. Swaps. Let me see. Let me just log into my account. I'm trying to get the account number. Let's see. Just one of you guys. What is going on with my MT4? That's what you keep saying. Have you joined the free Telegram group? K.the Stoner. Have you joined the free Telegram group? You're making profit from my channel for free. Have you joined the free Telegram group? I post more consistent signals there. Let's see. What is wrong with my MT4? 1 minute. I have to start it all over again. I don't know why it's not letting me. It wasn't even responding. It was live, but it wasn't responding to my clicks. Anyways, let me keep on talking about gold till it starts. So there is an opportunity to still take a buy on gold. However, the risk to reward ratio is not really worth it, right? You set your exit at 2,250. You set your entry now. No, you have exit of about 100 pips. You have take profit of about 285. Something like this, I'll have to wait till tomorrow. The best, if you enter now, it's kind of high risk. The best thing to do is wait for this trade to get triggered tomorrow. That's the thing. And if you're in the signal group, that's why I can be able to give follow-up on that, because I'm not having another live session tomorrow. Next live session I'm having is next week, Monday or Tuesday. So yeah, if you're not in the signal group, then you can't get information on that. If you're not a student that has the software, All right, my MT4 is responding now. Come on. What is going on with this MT4? Log in. Why is this thing behaving like this? And the MT4 isn't even frozen. It's just not letting me click it. I don't know why. What's going on? What is going on? I think I'll just have to do it from my phone. Finally. Let's see. Come on, log in, man. Let's see. Let me log into this account. Yes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close part of this trade on my mobile. You will see it also. I'm gonna take like maybe $10,000 profit. Yeah. So 1 minute, guys. Let me share my screen for you. No, wrong chart. This thing is lagging. Why are you lagging? Okay. Okay, it's no longer lagging. All right, so where were we? Yeah, 1 minute. Let me stop sharing the charts. Let's share the trading screen. Yeah, you said you've been in the Telegram. I'm talking about the Telegram VIP group, the group where I try to drop a signal every day. Okay, there's a public group, which we are almost at 6,000 members. Make sure to join the public group, link in description also. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of this year. But I'm talking about the VIP Telegram group, okay? To join the VIP Telegram group for 3 month signals free, okay, we try to drop daily signals. Message me trial on Telegram. That's all you have to do. Message me trial on Telegram. I'm not sure why this thing keeps lagging. The charts are just lagging. Very annoying. Anyways, let me share my NT4 screen. Hello, Ria Thorat. You said sell buy. We already discussed that. You just have to rewind the video, look at the pairs we've looked at. We're about to finalize now. So yeah, live news signal. Well, we've done that already. So yeah, this is the swing trade account that I've been trading. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go on my mobile. I'm gonna screen record me taking the profits, as you can see here. Right. So who is this messaging me while I'm live? I'm trying to screen record. All right. So let me just take some profits. I'll take about $1,000 profits. And there you go. Let me show you. So let's see. Okay. All right. So as you can see, the initial deposit was, what was it? 50,000. We've made some kind of withdrawal. All this, as you're saying, metal rollover, that's swaps. So as I've been taking trades, it has been giving me swaps. I just closed 11,000. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take profits. I'm going to withdraw that 11,000 also. So there you go. I started this trade right in front of you, and I'm taking profits right in front of you also. Bow. All right, so let's get back to the charts. Let me close this. What account were we looking at previously? 1 minute, guys. Let me get you back to the charts. So yeah, I'm still bullish on gold. Guys, still bullish on gold. So let me log back into the account that I was trading. Let's see what account was that. I'll do that after this stream. Anyways, you see what I said? Look at gold dropping. If you still want to take the risk, you can still enter. But like I said, very high risk trade, very high risk trade, very high risk trade, because the market is being manipulated right now. I still expect it to go to 2,300, but the risk could be lower if we enter this trade tomorrow, and it's only tomorrow I can decide if the trade will be safe or not. For those who have profits to spare, risking about 75 pips, 4.5 risk to reward ratio, it's all up to you. I'll wait till after NFP is done, me personally, and yeah, because I'm not that desperate to take trades unless I'm scalping, right? But yeah, so that's it for today. If you have any questions, message me on Telegram or put that in the comment section. I always try to reply to every comment. In fact, I always reply to every comment. And make sure to join the free Telegram group, link in the description also. And to join the free Telegram group for VIP signals, VIP Telegram group, where I try to draw daily signals on multiple pairs, including gold, every day. Message me trial on Telegram. Make sure you have at least $50 to be able to fund your account. And if you want to test my software for free, message me, test on Telegram. Make sure you have at least $50 to be able to fund your account also. And with that being said, yeah, hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead. And we will meet next week again. We'll see what happens in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. click the notification bells, and when you click the notification bells, click on notifications so that you don't miss sessions like this or shorts or videos that I upload for scalping and whatever with other updates. And also join the Telegram group, the public Telegram group, to stay updated on whatever I upload also. We'll see you again next week.
I don't want to talk unless we talking about, yeah. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep, yeah, it's hard to keep. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. I don't wanna talk unless we talking about rags. Don't be sending shots if you don't want a lot back. Say you got hits, we don't see where they at. Counting up the money and it's hard to keep track. They talk about the boy when they wanna be trendy. I don't worry about any threats that you send me. Say that you a shooter, I got real ones with me. They gon' make sure that the clip gets empty. Yeah, we after ya. Never got a degree, but I'm a bachelor. Me and 40 get to cooking with no spatula. You shooting at the stars, you need a big caliber. You ain't at the top, I've been here the whole time. I've been running laps and this bitch is so nice. I could put you on a map with a cosign. Trophies got a crib looking like a gold mine. They follow in my footsteps cause I know that I paved the way. She think I'm a hero, shorty, you ain't getting safe today. Like you send me checks, so you'll